In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can create a UK TikTok account. If you want to start earning with the Creator Rewards program, you need to have a UK TikTok account. So I'm going to teach you how you can create a UK TikTok account. So you need your TikTok app and a brand new email address. So if you don't have a brand new email address, make sure you go and create one. And then you come over to TikTok. You click on login. If you don't have an account yet, you will see the sign up button. Click on the sign up button and it will bring you to this interface. Before you click on anything, you need to change the location of this your TikTok account. So you see the Nigerian down there. You click on that Nigerian that is written down there and it will bring you to where you can search for your location. You search for United Kingdom, that is UK, and then you make sure that your location on this TikTok app is changed to United Kingdom instead of Nigeria. You see how my own is right now. I've changed the location to United Kingdom. And then the next thing you're going to do is to click on phone or email. All right, you use phone or email. Please do not click on any other one apart from phone or email. Then you swipe it over to the email section instead of phone section. So you have to use your email address instead of phone number. Before we continue, I need to clarify this. I see a lot of people asking whether we need VPN to do this. Well, as you can see, I did not use any VPN to create this UK TikTok account. VPN is not really necessary if you know how to create this, and I'm going to tell you that you're going to get the same result as someone that uses VPN. So VPN is not really necessary when you're doing this. So if you still want to use VPN, that is not a problem, but I'm telling you that with this method you don't need VPN and everything will still be the same. I also want to state that after creating your UK TikTok account, it is best you leave it for 3 days or 1 week if possible before you start doing anything on it. So it's also advised to engage on other people's accounts, especially foreign accounts. If you want the TikTok algorithm to favor your account, you need to also engage in other people's accounts. This will make the TikTok algorithm to also push your videos to foreign audience. So let's continue. You then input your email address and click on continue. They will send a code to your email address. You just get the code and then input the code. Let me just quickly get my own code from my email address and then we'll get back to this video. And remember, this is just for educational purpose only. I already have a UK TikTok account that I'm using to do a lot of things, both faceless channels and all of that. So I've already inputted the code they gave to me, and then they're asking for my birth details. So you input your birth month, your birth year, your birthday, and then make sure you input the accurate one anyway, and then you can click on continue. And then they'll ask for your phone number. Please skip this part. All right, so just click on skip. And then if you want to create your password right now, create your password, write it, keep it safe. But right now I'm going to skip this for now, but make sure you write your password, create your nickname if you want to, and then for now I'm going to skip it. And then voila, your UK TikTok account is ready. So now I'm going to show you how you can be able to verify if this is truly a UK TikTok account, how you can check the location of this account and know if it is still in a UK TikTok account. All you have to do is to go over to your account down below, then click on the 3 dash by your right hand side. Okay, we'll just remove this for now, not now. Then click on the 3 dash by your right hand side and then click on settings and privacy. When you click on settings and privacy, you click on account down, click on account, and then you click on account information. Once you click on account information, you can see that the account region is United Kingdom, and then that is it. You know that you've gotten your UK TikTok account. Next, we check if this account is qualified for monetization. That's the Creator Reward program. So you go back and then you click on TikTok Studio. Then when you get to your TikTok Studio, you look for the monetization. Yes, you click on monetization and then you see all the whole monetization that this account is eligible for. You see the Creator Rewards program there, you see the TikTok shop there, but you know that as a resident of Nigeria you cannot do TikTok shop except you reside in UK. So all you are eligible for and all you can earn from is TikTok reward program and few others that is there. So with this video, you can create your UK TikTok account and start using it to earn from the TikTok reward program.